Mururungano uyu wa Maseneta wonanitie nyumba ya iciriro itekwaria na mugambo umwe.
We are filing a case against the National Assembly and the Executive in general because they have passed 24 bills that concern counties and we have not been involved at Senate, and therefore we want to have this precedent set that any law that is passed by the National Assembly that concerns the counties must pass through Senate.
Maseneta aya makiuga ni momereirie kinyururi kuma kuri arunao a mbunge ya bururi makiria riria mahitukia mawatho makonainie na mawira ma thirikari cia matura iria kiwatho ciagiriire guthurimwo ni mbunge ya Senate.
We want to represent the Senate in declaring this matter about legislation, a matter that is urgent and should be heard immediately. So that we can get orders as quickly as possible.
Everybody, including all of us who are here, we wake up from the county and we sleep in the county. You cannot have legislations concerning health, concerning agriculture, concerning how monies are supposed to be distributed without the concurrence and the wisdom of the Senate.
Thutha wa gukinya Igoti-ini, Maseneta aya matongoretio ni Speaker Ken Lusaka maneana mateta mao kuri mucirithania Weldon Korir, umwe wa maundu maria marenda igoti rituithanie ari kana mbunge ya bururi ena hinya wa kuhitukia watho wa kigina kiria gitwaragwo county-ini itaiguithanirie na Senate.
There are 24 bills and there are others which are still in the pipeline, and yet the participation of the Senate has not been taken.
Ngucanio ici cia Senate na mbunge ya bururi ciratumukire thutha wa nyumba ici cieri kuremwo kuiguithania mbeca iria ciagiriirwo kugairwo county. Mbunge ya bururi riu ni cabithitie watho wa ugai wa muigana wa ciringi bilioni 316 kuri county mugaru na riendekithia ria Senate ria ciringi bilioni 327.
This court must, as it should, consider this a matter of great national importance and perhaps expedite its decision.
Na thutha wa kumathikiriria mucirithania Weldon Korir augite mateta maya no matuithanirio ni ndundu ya acirithania atatu aria magiriire kwamurwo ni mucirithania munene David Maraga.
I direct the Deputy Registrar of the Constitution and Human Rights Division to forthwith transmit this file to the Chief Justice for purposes of considering appointment of an uneven number of charges being not less than 3 to hear the petition.
Maseneta aya matetetie mbunge ya bururi makiugera huthirwo ni thirikari inene kuhura thirikari cia county na njira ya kunyihia mbeca iria ciagiriirwo kuheo county.
This lawsuit is for every Kenyan who fought so relentlessly for a government founded on the essential values of equality, democracy, social justice and the rule of law.
Ciira uyu ugathikiririo tariki 29 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, getwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.